be making an orange cake. What we need is 80 ml of oil. Dust the pan lightly with flour. 275 ml of water. 3 eggs and a beater and cake mix. So what we do first is put the eggs in, what I've done, and then you get the beater and then beat it for 2 minutes. Now we have to pour some water inside. So I've added the oil and water and eggs together nicely. So now it's time to add the cake mix. I'm going to mix it with a spatula since I've reached maximum level. I put the cake mix in the bowl. So now we're going to use the beater to beat it and beat it slowly. Just a reminder, beat it for 2 minutes. The mix is ready and now it's time to pour it into the pan. I preheated the oven and now the mix is going into the oven. I put the cake inside the oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to check if it's ready like this. It's clear, which means it's ready. And that's it for our how to make an orange cake tutorial. And the cake at the end was very yummy. Please subscribe and like for more videos.